Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Osaka, Japan with my asawa. Ayan, si Jerwin. Anong masasabi mo ngayon dito sa third day na ba natin?
Ang init.
Third day na? Third day na ba?
Ang init.
Oh, mainit talaga kasi summer kami pumunta dito. In our previous travel here in Japan, mostly it's either spring or winter kami pupunta dito. Pero ngayon, it's summer and it's very hot. So wala masyadong tao. Third day na ba natin ngayon? Yan. Yung property nga pala namin is near sa train station, mga 10 minutes walk. I think it's Awaji. Yeah, Awaji. So, yan. Ito yan. Yan yung pupunta. Medyo malapit lang. Tapos malapit sa Family Mart, Lawson, saka 7-Eleven. Mga walking distance sila. So, I'll give you a quick tour sa aming property na ni-rent dito sa Osaka, Japan. Alright. Okay, so ito nga pala yung facade nung property na na-rent namin dito. Sa booking.com namin to ni-rent. I'll tell you the price later. So, ito yung facade niya. So, ito nga pala kala namin kung ano. Lalagyan pala to ng basura. So, yan. May gate siya. Tapos, dito namin pinupunta yung ano, or kinukuha yung susi. May mga code siya ibibigay sa'yo ng owner via chat. Secured naman siya kasi meron siyang motion sensor na doorbell. And dalawa nga pala, siguro yung isa sa owner, yung isa sa loob. Pero may press here dito. Yan. So, okay. Pagpasok mo, you will be greeted by foyer. Yes, maka-foyer, di ba? So, yan. Take off your shoes daw. Tapos, ayan. So, dito mo iiwan yung mga shoes ninyo. So, napaka-strict nila dito. So, kailangan mo iwan yung mga tsinelas, shoes. At ang gagamitin mo dito is only the slippers na nandito sa loob. Dito siya nakalagay. Yan. Sinampay. Dapat ito mga coat eh. Kaso, sinampay na ng mga tuwalya. So, ito yung unang room. Yan. Medyo messy. Malaki siya actually. Super. So, may aircon. Yeah, may light. And may private door. Yan. Yan. Tapos, ito nga pala yung kusina namin. Yan. Meron siyang vacuum. Meron siyang toaster. Yan. Ref. The kitchen. And fully equipped nga pala to. Hindi na kayo magdadala ng kutsara, tinidor, kutsilyo, kawali. Yan, meron na siya dito. May microwave, lahat. Mga seasoning na lang gagawin ninyo. Ito nakakatuwa. Kasi itong kala na to, parang may oven, tas may grill na rin siya. Ayan, meron siyang exhaust with disposable ano to, parang filter. Hi, Ana! Yan, sasama-sama na. Ana, say hi! Hi! Say hi! Hi! Hello! So, ayan, yung dining area can fit like 7 people with child seat. With lavatory. Hey guys. Yan, lavatory and a lot of kids actually. We have blower here. Yan, dito siya nakalagay and meron siyang dedicated na saksakan. Hot and cold water. Okay. Kaya lang, lagay ko lang yung mic ko. Ayan. So, we have bathtub. Yeah. Hot and cold. Yeah. And the shower as well. Ayan. So, dito madalas nagtatambay yung mga kasama ko kasi lalo na ngayon wala kaming lakad kasi napagod sila the whole day. And we have our Japanese toilet. Yeah. With a lot of buttons. Yeah. Yun nga pala, yung sa bathtub, you have your control over here. Yeah. It's a, I think the owner is kind enough to put English translation of the Japanese character over there. You can control it there. And we have a controller over here as well, just in case you want to. Or nakalimutan mo siya. You have a saksakan, an aircon of course, and this door. Nakaka-amaze talaga. Oh, diba? Kasi mahal. Ano siya? Soft open and close. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Chicken? Yeah, we have chicken here. Yeah, nagising pa lang kayo ate? Yeah, nagising pa lang daw sila. Look. Oh, diba? Look at our fridge. Ayan. So, let's go. This is our first floor. So, let's go to second floor. Yan, nandito yung aming ibang rooms. Yan, tapos tanongin natin dito. Lorraine? Nagvo-vlog ako. Nagvo-vlog. Yan, ito nga pala yung kasama naming attorney. Yan, ito yung kwarto niya. Yan, mas lalo naman sa baba. So, kwarto niya ito, the second room, double bed, very spacious na, kung ano malagay mo dyan, maleta, buksan mo na lang. Ayan. Tapos ito, toilet niya. Charot. Wala, hindi yung toilet. Staff room daw yan. Pero, I think it's connected underneath the staircases. Yan. So, hi! Yan. And then, the third room would be our Tina?
Yes?
I'm vlogging.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
It's okay.
What are you doing? Who's in there? Charot!
Boy,
Who's in there?
alone here.
Oh, you're alone?
Yeah.
And who's in there? So that's Tina, one of very good friend.
Mama.
Our mommy. Yan. And that would be the remote for the air condition. Don't say bad word, okay? I'm vlogging.
What I'm doing.
Okay, so this is like
I want to answer her.
the master's bedroom. So nakikita nyo naman yung ni Tina. Yung outfit niya today kaso di yata makagamit. Hindi ko alam. So this is a traditional bintana. We have an aircon. She have a TVs, the tables, the coffee table, and the light. Yan. Ayan. So ito mo cabinet.
Oh my God.
Yan. Ano to? Room raid.
Di mo ako, di
Ayan.
mo sinabihan.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Of course. Eh, mong maleta niya. Diyos ko, ang dami na niyang binili. Second day pa lang. Ayan. So, ang ganda, no? Ayan. Okay, continue what you're doing, mommy. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, that's the second floor. And, wala. The third floor. Napaka-stiff lang talaga ng daan dito. Bago nga pala tayo pumunta sa pangilang room na ba? Fourth room. Bisitahin natin yung napakainit nating terasa. Ayan. So, ayan. Super init. So, ito yung parang terrace namin. Tapos, this is our fourth room. Fourth room. I'm vlogging.
Makeup.
There we go.
Hello guys.
So this Jingu, one of our friends, so doing makeup.
Yeah.
Hi, Philip. Say hi to the camera, Philip. Philip.
I'm watching.
Okay, so this is a double bed. 2 double beds in the fourth room. Yeah. So spacious, so wide. It has an aircon as well. Yeah. And there's a lot of pasalubong right now. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So, there you go. So that's the fourth room that we have here in our property. Let's go down. Ingat lang kayo kasi napaka-stiff nung hagdan pababa. Ayan. There we go. So yun nga guys. So we've been here since June 26, 2025. At mag-stay kami hanggang June 30, 2025. So that's today's date is kalimutan ko na. Hindi prepared, no? June 28. So 2 days to go. Aalis na kami. So paano nga pumunta dito from Osaka International Airport or KAX? So from there, we ride a bus around an hour going to Shin Osaka train station, then train station, or from Shin Osaka to Awaji. Then we take like a 10-minute walk from Awaji to here. So I think it will cost you around 1,500 per person from the airport to here, from airport to here, and vice versa as well. So we will be riding this the same transportation pauwi. Ayan. Tapos paano ba? Summer ngayon eh. So super init. So napaka-limited lang. So I advise you guys, if you don't like summer or may init na panahon, medyo gabi lang talaga kayo makakalabas kasi as in super init. Usually kasi pupunta kami dito again during winter or spring, medyo malamig pa siya, and malamig masyado pag summer ay pag winter. So napakagandang gumala. Uso daw kasi heat stroke dito. So ano bang pinag-aabahan namin dito? Siyempre, mga or mga convenience store kasi super lapit nila. So mamubuhay kayo doon doon bumibili. And it's very cheap. So mga 500 pesos lang per meal. Or kaya nyo siguro 500 pesos per day individually. Pero kung gusto nyo ng mga medyo masarap na kainan, although masarap naman talaga sa conveni, medyo fan ako ng conveni dito. Kasi masarap naman talaga. Siguro kumain kami ng mga nasa 13,000 for yakiniku for 6 adult and 2 children. Mga 16,000 yen. Yan. So that's around 8,000 pesos. Yeah, approximately for that kind of number of people. And ayun. So kung tatanungin ko paano kami nag-book kami sa kiwi.com, same as what you call this, same as booking or trip.com, para iwas hassle. Kasi if it will save you around 100 to 500 pesos, di ba? Doon ka na lang. Kasi mag-hassle ka pa na pumunta sa Cebu Pacific na website.com, tapos pagdating sa ending, magta-time out, yung mga ganun. So I suggest you do trip.com na lang. Tapos for the hotel, yeah, you can choose a flight and hotel sa trip.com. So yan, so iwas hassle talaga. Again, if it will just save you 500 pesos for the booking, then I just prefer to use trip.com, diba? Tapos naman, kung magkano tong property na to, 25,000. Around 25,000 for the, for 26 conversion rate. Diba? June 26 conversion rate. So, around 25,000 for 5 nights. 4 nights, 5 days. So, not bad, diba? For 6 person and 2 children. Yeah, I'll link the description below or the property below for you to check as well. It's very good. Maganda siya at paano ba? Hindi siya pet friendly pero child friendly siya. Ayan. So, yun lang guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.